Good morning, students. So, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So, let's start with the okay. Okay, students. Now tell me that what you observe, what you see in this image. What you see in students. So, I think most of the students go to the outside and observe all the environment, or you always travel. Yes, you always travel or go to the outside. So you see there are the lots of plants in their surrounding. Lot of plants. Yes, there are some plants which are small, there are some plants which are very big. Yes, there are lots of differences. There are lots of plants. There are some plants which are green leaf. There are some plants with yellow flower. There are some plants which are red flower. There are some plants which are some huge leaf, or in the leaf there is some red spots or yellow spots. There is lot of varieties in the plant. Yes, students, I think you all must observe this all the plants. Yes, there are some plants which are uh, small. There are some plants which are very big. Yes, students, I think you all observe this. Yes. So, students, so you have any idea that which chapter we are going to study today? Any idea that which chapter? I also give you the clue. This is today we are going to start a new chapter, but which chapter? Something related to plants. Yes, something related to plants. So, students, today we are going to start a new chapter, which name is Getting to Know the Plant. Okay, students, yes, there is a chapter which we are going to study today, Getting to Know the Plants. Okay, our next chapter. So, I think you got an idea what we study in this chapter. Yes, we study in this chapter something about related to the plant. Okay, okay. Now come to the next slide. Okay, so student, I already told you that there are lots of plants. Yes, there are lots of plants. They have a different variety. There are different colors in their leaves, or their flowers is different. Some have dark red, or some have dark blue. Yes, there are different varieties of flower or varieties of plants in our surrounding. You must, I think, observe this all plants. Okay, so student, now see here, classification of plant based on their characters. Okay, there is the classification of plants based on their characters. Okay, students, now see, there is a three classification. What is first one is herbs. Okay, second one is shrubs, and third one is trees. Okay, and we all know that. Yes, and we all see the tree. We all very much familiar with the tree. Yes, and we also know this both also, but generally we know the what is the tree. We all see this tree, and we all know that that is a tree. Yes, so now see what is herb. Yes, herbs is the their we can say that plant with a green and tender tender stem is we can say that their stem is very soft. Okay, herb's stem is very soft, but the shrub's stem is harder than the herb's stems. Okay, and we all know that tree stems is very much harder than these both plants. Yes, these both plants. So in half there is like we eat there we eat in half there is some example like we eat some spinach. Yes, there is a tulsi or mint. These are come under the herbs. Okay, because you all see their stem is very soft. The very soft stem is there. Yes, and the serf stem is सर्ब्स इज टॉलर बट दे आर शॉर्टर देन द हर्ब्स. ओके, सर्ब्स जो है वो टॉलर है बट वो हर्ब्स से छोटा है. ओके, नाउ सी इन दिस पिक्चर. सी, I think you all see this type of plant. Yes, and the example of herbs is like we see the lemon. I think lemon plant you must see. There is a lemon plant like jasmine plant. There is lot of plants which is come under the herbs, and we all know that trees are like mango tree. There is a banana. Mango tree or apple tree. There are lot of tree, coconut tree, coconut tree, neem tree, people tree. There are lots of trees, and we all familiar with the trees. Yes, now come to the next slide. Yes, now see, first one is herbs. Herbs are the plant with a green and tender stems. Okay, I already told the tender stem, non-woody stem. Okay, I already told you that tender stem, which means soft stem. Okay, tender, which is easily which is easily bent by the hand. Okay, we can easily bend its stem. Yes, we can easily bend its stem. Usually short in height and few branches is there. So now see in this picture there is like dhania we use na in our home, like dhania. There is some mint is there, podina. We can say there are lots of herbs in our surrounding, lots of herbs which we use in our daily life in our kitchens. Yes, आपने घर पे देखा होगा कि हमारे घर में जो साग आता है, मम्मी उसे इजीली उसे हैंड से आप देखते होंगे कि किस तरह से वो आराम से वो टूट जाता है ना. तो दे व्हाई, बिकॉज देयर स्टेम इज नॉन वुडी. ओके, बिकॉज देयर स्टेम इज नॉन वुडी एंड tender stem, soft stem is there. Okay, and they have few we can say that they have few branches. See in this picture they have a few branches. Yes, we can say that 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, but there is not a lot of branches, only 2 or 3 branches is there. Now see, here is some examples. Tomato plant, wheat plant, rice plant, ginger, carrot, तुलसी. हम सबके घर में जनरली आपको मिल जाता है स्पेनिच, पालक. we all eat this. Yes, like धनिया, coriander, पुदीना, mint. Yes, these all are the example of herbs. Okay, these all are the example of herbs. Now come to the next slide. Here are the herbs. Herbs are the taller than the herbs but shorter than the trees. Okay, herbs are the taller than the herbs. Okay, but they are shorter than the tree because trees are huge. We can say that they are very big. Yes, trees are very big. So see in this picture also, stem branches out near the base close to the ground. Okay, stems branches out near the base close to the ground. So I think you must see this plant also in your surrounding. Basically ये सारे प्लांट जो आप देखते होंगे लाइक म्यूजियम या फिर कोई पार्क में आप जाएंगे तो ये आपको जनरली इस टाइप के प्लांट्स बहुत देखने को मिलेंगे. ठीक है, और इसके जो ब्रांचेस होते हैं ना वो ग्राउंड के एकदम सामने से वो निकलता है. ठीक है, ब्रांचेस आउट नियर द बेस or the ground. See in this picture, see here is the ground and see their branches. Okay, clear to all. इसके जो branches है वो जमीन से बहुत ही सामने होती है. ठीक है, और ये herb से बड़ा है herb से बड़ा है but tree से ये छोटा है. Okay students, now the stem is hard but not very thick. Okay, what we can say that हर्ब्स के जो स्टेम्स है वो हम जनरली बहुत इजीली अपने हैंड से तोड़ लेते हैं, बट जो सर्ब्स है देयर स्टेम इज हार्ड बट नॉट वेरी थिक. ओके, इसकी जो स्टेम होती है ना वो हम लोग वी कैन से दैट हाथ से इजीली से नहीं तोड़ सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसकी जो स्टेम होती है वो हार्ड है बट वो थिक नहीं होती हर्ब्स की तरह. ओके, now let's see there some examples like jasmine, china rose, lemon, duranta and bougainvillea. Okay, bougainvillea. So there are the some example of herbs. Okay, these are the example of herbs. Okay, okay students, now come to the next. The next category is the last one is tree, and we all are very much familiar with these trees. Yes, these are very tall. We all know that these are trees are very tall and they're and hard and thick. I mean thick brown stem. Yes, or we also call them trunk. Yes, and they're we all know that the tree's stem is very thick, very much thick. Yes, and the stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground, but in the shrubs case what happened? In the shrubs case their branches are near to the ground. Yes, their branches are near to the ground, that are shrubs, but these are tree, their stem or their branches are in the upper part of the trees. Okay, now see in this picture their branches are upper, बिल्कुल ही ऊपर. इसके जो ब्रांचेस होते हैं ट्री के वो हम लोग इजिली देख सकते हैं कि उसके जो ब्रांचेस जो निकलते हैं ट्री से वो बहुत ही ग्राउंड से बहुत ही ऊपर होता है. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सम एग्जांपल इज हियर लाइक मैंगो ट्री, एप्पल ट्री, कोकोनट ट्री, नीम ट्री, पीपल ट्री. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रीज, शीशम ट्री. देयर आर lot of plants which is comes under the tree, and we all very much familiar with the trees. Okay, okay, now I think you all are clear with this. These are the herbs, these are the herbs, and these are the tree. Okay, in the herbs there are some mint, tulsi, spanish. These are the example of herbs. In herbs there are the example of jasmine, lemon tree, and in the trees are the example like mango, coconut, apple, sesame, people. These are the example of trees. Okay students, now clear what is herbs, what is herbs, and what is tree. Okay, now let's come to the next. Okay, here is some question for you. Which is an example of herbs? Spinach, mango, tomato plant, lemon. Example of herbs. Read carefully. Example of herbs. Yes, students, now tell me. Yes, yes, very good. So the example is spinach. Okay, or palak. Okay, students. Okay, now come to the next. Yes, now what you see in your screen, students? Yes, yes, students. Yes, these are the pumpkin, watermelon, yes, pea plant, money plant, grapevine. Yes, yes, student. So, what kind of stem is this? Yes, what kind of stem is this? There are some. Okay students, now I will tell you about this. There are some plant have weak stem. Okay, there are herbs, herbs and tree, they have a stem. Okay, but these are the plant, these plants have a weak stem. Okay, and they cannot stand upright. Okay, they cannot stand upright without taking any help. Okay students, without taking any help it cannot stand up. Okay, now see here. So this type of plant, what we say, this type of plant is called creepers. Okay, or climbers. Okay, climbers. So I think आप अपने घर में देखे होंगे कि there are money plants. Yes, they have they are very long, but they cannot have stem. Yes, they have stem, but their stem is very weak. Yes, okay. Now see here, creepers and climbers. Okay, like plant with a weak stem that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Okay, that type of plant are called creepers, which are spread on the ground. Okay, students, now you see in your I think uh, आपने अपने सराउंडिंग में ऐसा देखा होगा कि जो पंपकिन और वाटरमेलन के जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो कभी भी नॉर्मली आपने किसी ट्री या फिर इसका कोई स्टेम जो है वो नॉर्मली जो ट्रीज हर्ब्स और सर्ब्स होता है उसकी तरह नहीं होता, ये ग्राउंड पे ही क्या होता है वो फैल जाता है, ठीक है, स्प्रेड कर जाता है। तो किस सो देयर आर सम एग्जांपल लाइक वाटरमेलन, मास्क मेलन, पंपकिन, स्वीट पोटैटो, दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्रीपर्स। Okay, these are the example of creeper. They spread on the ground. Okay, they spread on the ground. These all. Now second one is climber. Climber are the those that take support on the neighboring structure and climb up are called climbers. आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने मनी प्लांट अपने घर पे लगाया होगा और उसको सपोर्ट देने के लिए क्या किया होगा कि एक स्टिक को इस तरह से आपने लगाया होगा। सी इन दिस पिक्चर, yes, this is the grapes plant, this is the pea plant and this is the money plant. yes, आपने जनरली सपोर्ट देने के लिए इसमें बीच में स्टिक लगाया होगा, yes, to support their base. So though that they take support on neighboring structure and climb up are called climbers. So that's why it's called climber. They climb to the other or they take support to the to their neighbor. Okay, so see here there is some example: money plant, pea plant, bitter gourd or bottle gourd. Okay, see. Now, here is some question for you. Which is an example of creepers? I already discussed with this question with you. Which one is the example of creepers? Spinach, mango tree, tomato, or tomato plant or pumpkin? Yes, yes, very good. So answer is pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin plant. Okay. Okay, students. Now tell me what you see in your screen. Yes, so these are the parts of plant. Yes, we all know that these are the stem, this is the flower, this is the leaf, and these are the root. Yes, we call shoot system, stem, flower, leaf. These are the shoot system of plant, and these roots comes under root system. Yes, we all know that this all part. Okay, so in this chapter basically we study this all the parts in very deep manner. Okay, so now come to the next topic. Yes, so our first what we see is stem. Yes, we all know that the stem is very important part in the plant. Stem hold the plant. Yes, stem hold the plant, give the support to the plants. Yes, or stem also carry the minerals or water from the soil. It's carry food. Yes, it's carry food. Stem is very important part to the plants. Okay, now see, stem holds the plant erect upright. Stem bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, see, these are the nodes. See, these are the nodes where branches are started. Okay, we all know that these are the leaf, these are the petiole, and these are the internode. Okay, stem carries water and minerals from soil to different part of the plant through the special tube which is called xylem. Okay, so students, I already told you that stem carry water and mineral from where? From the soil. Yes, from the soil. From the soil, water. What stem? What carry? What stem carries water and mineral, and the in the stem, inside the stem, there is one tube-like structure is present which is called xylem. Okay, there is actually two tube-like structure is present. One is xylem and second one is phloem. Okay, so with the help of xylem, with the xylem carry the water and mineral, and phloem carry the food which is prepared in the leaf. See here, see this fourth point. Yes, see this fourth point. Stem also carries food prepared in leaves to different part of plant through the special tube which is called phloem. Okay? Yes. Now see here. These are the tree or plant. Okay, water and mineral absorbed by the roots. Okay, water and mineral absorbed by the root is transported to the other part of plant by the help of what? Xylem. Root will absorb water and mineral from where? From soil. Okay, we all know that plant take their all the food, all the minerals, all the water from where? They all take the water and mineral from the soil. Okay, see. Yes. Okay, see now. See here. Here is the food is prepared in the leaf by the process of photosynthesis. We all know that photosynthesis is take place in the plant with the help of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, photosynthesis is happen in the plant. Yes. So what happen in phloem helps to the food prepared by leaf. Yes, we all know that leaf in the leaf plant make their food. Yes, plant make their food on in the leaves and is transported to the other parts of plant by phloem. Okay, food जो है वो phloem के through phloem भी एक tube like structure tube which is present in the tree which helps to transport the food. Okay, and xylem is help to transport water and mineral from the soil. Okay, students, now clear what is xylem and phloem? Yes. Okay. Now, student, here is one experiment for you to show stem conduct water. Okay. So basically, what you do in this activity, first you take one glass, and in the glass you put 2 or 3 drop of ink, the ink like red or blue, any color you put a drop, 1 or 2 drop of ink. Okay, then you take one flower and then cut their stem. Okay, see like this narrow tube is there, so you cut the stem. Okay, then what you do, you take the flower, take into the glass in which you put it 2 drops of ink. Then you see next day what happened, the color of flower will change. Okay, if the color of flower will change, see in this picture. Okay, so बस इतना ही था इस experiment में. What you done, first take a glass and fill it 1/3 with water. Okay, and add few drops of ink to the water. Doesn't matter which color, or you red, blue, जो भी color हो आपके पास. Then cut the base of the stem. Yes, like this. See, like this. You cut this like this. Then the stem of the herbs and put it in the glass. Then what happened? Observe it the next day. Then what happened? Color of flower will change. Yes, color of flower will change. Okay, so what shows? It shows the stem conducts water. Okay. Yes, so now here is one question for you. Which of the following types of plants has thick, hard and woody stem? Yes, which of the following types of plant has thick, hard and woody stem? Yes, yes, very good. So the answer is tree. Tree have a thick, hard and woody stem. Okay. Okay, now here is the recapitulation time. So students, what we done today? Today we are started a new chapter which is getting to know plant. Okay, in which we see the herbs, herbs and tree. Yes, and differentiation between the herbs, herbs and tree. Then we see the creepers and climbers. Yes, okay, there and stem. Okay, students. And now here is two question for you. What is herbs? Yes. And second question is give some example of herbs. So what is herbs? Yes, so the plants with green and soft stem. Okay, or we can easily bend their stem. Okay, students? Okay, now give me some example of herbs. Yes, yes, like jasmine, jasmine or China rose, or there is lemon plant. These are the example of herbs. Okay. Okay, now this is your homework. So, can you find plant in your house or in your neighborhood which has a long but weak stem? Yes, I already uh, give you some examples also. Yes, long but weak stem. So, write its name. Write its 5 or 10 names. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.